Well, Eric, what a great night. How are you feeling?
I feel amazing. I mean, really, launching QX55, which is not a car you can launch every day. It's really spectacular.
After so many nights and days of working, we get to see it complete.
Exactly. No more camouflage or funny parts. It's a real car, and I think QX55 is so special because somehow it's reconnecting Infiniti to the soul of the brand.
As we were dreaming together about the QX55, naturally we turned to this spiritual North Star that we had, which is FX.
Exactly. We invented that category that maybe we can call crossover coupe. Actually, QX55 is going to be the only Japanese luxury vehicle in that category.
As a Japanese premium brand, I think we're bringing a different kind of feeling of luxury. You know, we're very fortunate that we have QX55 to show that new tonality. From the beginning, this is a kind of designer's dream project because we knew that the company and the brand needed something very provocative. At a glance, we wanted to create this silhouette, which was, yes, personal, but very dynamic, where the rear is a bit powerful. The fender, you can feel the mass of the fender, and the piano key tail lamps were really helping make this complete kind of arresting, at a glance, aesthetic.
This car is really amazing from its styling, but we are a performance brand, right? And this car will also be very true to this DNA. We'll have a 2-liter turbo, variable compression ratio of 268 horsepower. So it will not just look sporty, it will drive really like a sports car.
And as a designer, we knew this. So we built on the Infiniti asymmetrical designs that we have on Q50 and Q60. In this one, we have a black and red interior, which is really celebrating the feeling you're going to have when you're driving. So yes, from the outside, very provocative, and stepping inside, aside from the color, which is very iconic, actually, even in the creation of the shapes, we were exploring ways to really echo the sense of in control for the driver. So for instance, the center console, the way it sweeps over and bends with the leather, really make it feel like a cockpit style.
In some aspects, it's a driver-centric cockpit, but I mean, look at the second row. We have the sliding rear bench. We have a cargo space which is higher than our direct competitors. So in that sense, we have here a car which is equally beautiful, but much more practical.
So Eric, I know that you drove it the other day. How was that?
Yeah, actually, we've been very lucky to drive QX55 quite intensively through the last month, and from the intelligent all-wheel drive system, which is fitting the car standard, but also the large color heads-up display gives you a very, very high-tech feeling.
It really changes how you drive. It's really wonderful. And of course, it's not just the drive. I mean, our passengers are going to enjoy the Infiniti InTouch with the twin screens, especially the super quiet cabin. And this kind of private concert 16-speaker Bose system is really spectacular.
The car is not just connected to the road, it's also connected to the passengers. You can hook up 7 Wi-Fi devices, and for the first time we are bringing wireless CarPlay. So really everyone is very much connected in this car.
How long do we have to wait?
Not very long, Alfonso. The car is coming on sale early next year.
Speaking of waiting, let's get back to the show.
You're right, back to the show.